Here's the noon update for February 4th, 2013. Looks like within the third wave we have 1, 2. Within the 3 of 3, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to a 4 of 3. So this is the actual 4 of 3. I was thinking that the 4 of 3 occurred last week, but it turned out the rally was a B wave into a C wave. And previous 4 support right now is around 1497, which is pretty close to right now. Yeah, 1497. And 0.382 is around 1494. So those are the two support levels for S&P. I figure you touch either one of those support levels and bounce in at least a 5 or 3 because this formation isn't complete yet. We still have 1, 2, 3, and the 5 or 3 hasn't even have. I thought this would be a 5 or 3 last Friday, but it turned out this is a B wave before a C wave. So there's still a possibility of a 5 or 3 up to my targets of around 1525 to 1540. So we got to see how those two levels of support hold, 1494 and 1497 for the Dow. Essentially the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 flat B. B wave was a upward B on Friday into a C wave. So we might actually have support around 13,850. 0.32 be about 13,800 in the Dow. So those are two support, 13,850 and 13,800 for a possibility of a bounce. And I know it's starting to get a little heavy right now, but I don't think this formation, this third wave formation is complete yet. We still have another move up to go. Nasdaq, though, on the other hand, is pretty weak. Actually, it's right to the previous 4. That's actually pretty standard. Right back to the previous 4. Another layer of support on 3125, or the actual the low of the previous 4 in Nasdaq. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But the more standard move right now is S&P. It's like 1, 2, 3 within the third wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to a 4 or 3. So I'm gonna watch those two levels of support, 1494 and 1497, and they essentially need to hold here, to set up a 5 or 3. That's a wrap.